Hello, this is Jim Ferg from LBI, and this is the 2019 Scout 215 XSF. Here we are up at the bow. You have an anchor locker, rod holders. The nav lights are in the rub rail. You have storage port, starboard and center. Fish box cooler storage. Great area to sit down. As we move back, this boat is equipped with the optional hard top. You have spreader lights built in. They're also aft. You have a rocket launcher above and right down here below. Cup holders, cooler. At the helm, we have tilt steering, a digital throttle for Yamaha F-150. There's a dash here that you can display a 9-inch Garmin on. Fusion stereo system. Compass. Little storage area. You have 12-volt adapter as well as USB. Here we are at the back of the boat. Live well. More rod holders, cup holders. Nice bilge access. And a pull-out seat, and you have rod holders underneath the gunnels as well. This was the 2019 Scout 215 XSF. You can contact me, Jim Ferg, at MarineMax.com, or give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you.